they can see how fucking cold it is out this motherfucker when you post this video. Maximum load 2,355 pounds when jacking height. What's the frame? This thing right here? This? Oh. Oh, so you fit it into this. Oh, shit. This is a good job. Okay. That'd be a good job.
We out of here in 2025, man.
Right.
Guido! Gotta call Guido. Ah, shit, my finger.
Please be careful, buddy.
Is it on?
It looks like it's on to me.
There we go. Get money.
It's nice.
It's flat, right?
Yeah. Yep.
You don't believe this type of shit. And how easy we get in and out. Shit. Is that high enough?
I feel like it looks like it's high enough.
Baby, can you hear my car? Gotta put that in the background.
No.
Okay. This battery dead. That's the wrong battery.
I'm glad that was on camera. I'm over here shivering, got the phone shaking.
Light. AD light. There. Jack it up. That?
Yeah.
What was that? It sounded like air was coming out. I'm just tired. No, I don't think so.
Let's see what to see. We all crying. We're gonna have to just deal with it. He's crying because the car stopped. You think we home? That's just a next MP miles per hour 50.
Yeah. People be wilding on these shit though.
Yeah, on the highway.
What the hell?
Right there, right there.
Jesus, it's going on right there.
And it's way back there too.
I know.
We gotta take a back road.
Huh?
We gotta take a back road. I don't even know if there is a back road.
We can take the highway. Why we can't take the highway?
I don't know.
We on, baby. We out. Let's drop this bitch. Make sure it's tight. Should have went live. Oh, damn battery just died.
How real that shit is. You got that screw though? Well, I mean, you got 4 out of 5 shit. That's all that matters.
I don't know if you want to jump back there with them. Give us some company.
Yeah. This is crazy. Damn. So sad.
Bloody murder.
Don't get used to that.
What you say?